Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to verify a Cash App card for Apple Pay. So first of all, you need to open up Cash App on your device, and then tap on this card icon at the bottom. Once you're on this screen, you need to tap on this three-dot icon in the top right corner of your card. A pop-up will come up. Simply tap on Add to Apple Pay. It's going to bring up some information. Tap Next, and a Terms and Conditions page will open up. Hit Agree in the bottom right corner. Once it's finished setting up the card for Apple Pay, tap Done in the top right corner. Again tap Done, and you'll receive a notification that reads Cash is ready for Apple Pay. And you're done. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.